If you've never made homemade biscuits before, this is the recipe that will change that. Soft, flaky, buttery layers with a golden crisp top, and the best part is, they're ready in about 30 minutes. In a large bowl, add your self-raising flour, add the sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Now grate your frozen butter directly into the bowl. Using frozen butter is one of the easiest tricks for perfect biscuits. As those tiny pieces of butter melt in the oven, they create steam pockets that help the biscuits rise tall and flaky. Gently toss the butter through the flour mixture until evenly coated. Add the buttermilk and the vanilla extract. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and shape it into a rectangle. Fold the dough into thirds like a letter. This folding method is what creates those beautiful flaky layers inside the biscuit. Repeat the folding process a few times. Roll the dough out one final time. Using a floured round cutter, cut out 8 to 12 biscuits. Let me know in the comments what you would serve these with. And don't forget to follow for more baking tips and recipes. Brush the tops with the remaining tablespoon of buttermilk. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown on top. Let them cool for a few minutes before serving. They're perfect with butter and jam, alongside sausage gravy, or simply enjoyed warm straight from the oven. Follow for more easy homemade recipes and check the description for the full written recipe.